What you guys doing? Guys, you're all cramped up in there. Your mommy keeps making your bed all cramped up. Look at who's over here. Come over here. Did you get out? Come here. Did you get out? Can you say hi? Huh? How did you get out? What are you doing? Get in there with your sisters. Come here. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Who's that looking out? Who's that looking out? Who is that? Let me see. It's one of the little boys. Yeah. It's one of the little boys. Yeah. Let me see over here. This is another boy. That's another little boy. Yeah. Alright, where do we got here? This is that Patriot? I think that's Patriot. She's the one that, I think that's, anyway, it's the one with all the dark colors on her. And back here is Liberty. One of them's Patriot and one of them's Liberty. I have to look to see who's who. Hi, sweetheart. You're sleepy. Oh, the sleepy baby. We're going to take pictures tomorrow. So those are the three. The black one's a girl, and then the two that I just showed you, Patriot and Liberty. Those are the puppies. Yeah, those are the puppies. Yeah. Hi. Hi.